Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a ring pour cup, some Anita's White Metallic, a list of colors that I thought I might go backwards from the order I went in on a painting I really liked. I have a 16 by 12 inch canvas. This is some Hot Orchid. It does tend to bleed, and obviously it's a little plugged, which is really odd since I just unplugged it. But it might, whoa, the top just tried to come off, and that would have been very bad because there isn't any more of this. Wow. Okay, small emergency. Put that aside. I am going to grab a little bit of Meeden white to go in between the layers. A little pink diamond, which is another color art Prism Pour color. A little more Meeden white. I'm going to try and go gently, because I'd like to start over with the progression. That is a color shifting purple flash from Folk Art. This is a slightly watered down fiery orange that's a metallic from Arteza. This is a regular orange, which is a Hobby Lobby brand, which is Master's Touch. This is a Folk Art Neon Pink coming up. I don't think I probably needed that white in there. This is a white, the white metallic with some pink in it again. Probably don't need that, like I said. This is some yellow with some orange in it. This is more Meeden white. A lighter yellow with some orange in it. Time to make some more of that. And start over. If I can remember the progression, it's right there in front of me. I definitely want that bottle of Hot Orchid to be open. And I wonder why it's not. Let's try it anyway. This time at least I know the top won't explode off. Wow, why is that happening? I need to know. And I'm going to get myself very pink and very messy for a minute. I have no idea why that's not opening. So let's just take a little bit of that. Put it right there. And hope I won't need it again. Back to the white. I never used my gold in between, and I meant to. Back to the white, and this time I'm going to slide a little bit of, oh, I was going to use some amethyst. I'll use a little dioxazine purple just to throw a little curve in there. I have some other amethyst, which is an Artist Loft metallic. Although that looks a little darker than what I was intending. There it is. I'll save that just in case. I got a couple bottles that need to be emptied out for sure. Let's go in for the oranges. I'll reverse the order of the two oranges this time. I don't think it will make any difference at all. And I'll put them out of my way so I can be sure I've used them. I'm not sure I'm getting the order right anymore. I'm a little lost. But I still love the colors, and I know they're going to work together. I believe I have used them on multiple occasions. Still not working. How strange is that? Excuse the frog in my throat. Ribbit. And I am going to put some 24 karat gold right down the middle. I kind of like some black too, but I think I'll wait for that to get. I need an edge catcher, and I was pretty sure I grabbed one, but I'm not as sure as I was at the time right now. So I'll grab a couple more. Nothing like being prepared. They're pretty wild. I want to cut them up and make collages out of them. Some are really pretty, just as they are. Alright, so I don't see enough orange in there. I'm going to give myself a little, some leeway. I'm going to give myself a damp layer of Anita's white metallic. My experience is that when I use the white that's not sheer or metallic, then I don't get as clean colors. They tend to want to go pastel on me. And so long as I have a damp canvas, I have spreadability. Paint will flow to paint, and the Anita's white metallic is nice and slippery. It's a lot, I can't say it's less viscous, that it's less heavy, but for some reason it just has more slipperiness to it. If that makes any sense at all, which it really doesn't, but oh well. I'm going to take that and go over here. Just spread it. It's not really a ring pour, is it? It's definitely a traveling ribbon wiggle. Is that the right length? I'm going to go for the longer one. Yeah, that's the side. I think I'm going to keep turning my canvas to sides I want to see. Let's turn that right around so I've got a capacity to do this. It's been a long time since I did this. I'm just going to squeeze that color right back in place. And I'd like to lose less color off the edge. So I'm going to try and move that down this way. Now I've got some wonderful color that I can come back and use by stealing it right directly off of my edge catcher. Although I kind of like what I've got, and it wouldn't be that hard to want to leave it. From my tweezers, there they are. Oh, good, it was just a bubble. So I'm going to grab all of my paint, because paint will flow to paint, as I mentioned, and I can probably use it to flow this paint right over. I'm going to try it anyway. With a shorter edge catcher. I'm going to take all that paint. It's flowing off. Put it right back in. Let it flow down again. I'm getting some coverage. Also getting some fingerprints. You know what, I've got beautiful colors in this cup, and I am not going to waste them. I hope you can see those. If I want to add something else, now's the time. There isn't a single one of those that I don't think is absolutely gorgeous. Oh wow, what a mess. But it's all a very orangey mess. Wow, what's that? I don't know what that is. It looks like a piece of plastic. Must have come off of the wrapper for the canvas. So I'm a little less messy, and I'm definitely thinking about a couple of things. Adding some purple flash from Folk Art. And if I can lay my hands right on it right quick. Also some dioxazine purple, but I'm not seeing it. There it is. It's because it's too close. Funny how that works. Okay, I need to go. I'm so glad I didn't choose a 16 by 20 inch canvas. Come on, it's all painty and slippery. I'm getting more coverage than I thought I was going to get. Yes, I did. I just blew that in there. I gotta quit picking up bottles that are open. It's not conducive. Where's my straw? And my paint is sort of drying out on the edge. And I put my straw down in it. This is my klutzy moment for sure. I want some more of something. I think it's going to be purple flash, pink diamond, some dioxazine purple. I don't know where that mark came from. Trust me to use up all my time. I've got 2 minutes to remind you guys I do sell my artwork. I meant to put some copper in there. Isn't that weird? I didn't do that. So basically, I think you're never stuck with a ring pour if you don't want to be stuck with a ring pour, or however it turns out. As long as you've got more paint and tool and more tools. I got a couple little spaces. They're kind of weird, but I don't mind them. I love you guys. Thanks for inspiring me. Thanks for putting up with me too. I get a little caught up in what I'm doing sometimes. I'm not sure I need those holes there. There's a good possibility I might fill them in. So on my end screen video, there's an exhibition. It's an exhibition video that you can find in the last 20 seconds. And at the very beginning of it, you'll see the prizes for the monthly drawing. For those of you who have entered in the past, because you made a donation through PayPal, if you are one of the people who can do that, then you'll be automatically entered, or you'll be automatically invited, I should say. I just want to fill them in. Oh, I could too. I know that I could tip all that over. All right, weird ending. Look under my video for all kinds of information, including my paint pouring recipe. Know that there are 2,200 videos organized by topic and genre. I just wanted to do that before you were gone. I didn't need those holes there. So I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Probably put another drop of paint right in there. And anything else that fits. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I'll be torching to release the bubbles caught in the paint. I love you guys. Bye for now. Priscilla out.